Razor Rooter Plumbing is your local plumbing service that is both courteous and affordable. Mention this video and receive 25% off labor and a free estimate over the phone. We offer 24-hour emergency services, drain cleaning, pipe and leak repair, complete sewer services, as well as sink, faucet, toilet, shower, bathtub, dishwasher, and hot water heater installation and repairs, plus much more. Call Razor Rooter Plumbing today at 626-377-4556 and remember to mention this video for the 25% discount. We look forward to serving you.